Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These three applications are needed in daily life by every student, office worker, freelancer, teacher, and business owners. Whether it's making assignment, doing calculation in Excel, creating presentations, or building a resume, Microsoft Office is used everywhere. But the problem is that many people don't understand the installation process, or they end up facing product activation key issue. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to properly install Microsoft Office 365 on Windows 11 using one of the easiest and most importantly legal methods, free of cost. And the best part about this installation method is that you can install only the specific apps you need. Meaning, if you only want Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, unnecessary apps won't be installed. At the end of this video, I will also share two methods to help you avoid product activation key issues in the future. So let's start the tutorial right here. First, open any browser. I'm opening Chrome here. Type Microsoft Office Customization Tool and open the official website. By the way, the link to this website is also in the video description. Now, under which architecture do you want to deploy? Select 32-bit or 64-bit according to your system requirements. I'm selecting 64-bit. Now, under which product and apps do you want to deploy? Go to Office Suites and select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Leave the other settings as default. Under version, keep it set to latest. Under apps, toggle on only the Office 365 apps you actually need. For example, I only need the apps PowerPoint, Word, and Excel, so I will select those. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to subscribe quickly. Now under language, select English US or English UK depending on your preference. Leave all other settings as they are. Now click the export button at the top right. A pop-up will appear. Select Office Open XML format and click OK. Accept the terms and conditions. Leave the file name as configuration and click the export button to download the XML file. Now open a new tab, search for Windows Office Deployment Tool and hit enter. Open the official Microsoft website, link in the description, leave everything as default and click the download button. Now to create a folder to install Office 365 apps. Once downloaded, open File Explorer, go to this PC and open your C drive. Create a new folder here and name it Office 2024. Now, cut the two files you just downloaded and paste them inside this Office 2024 folder. Next, right-click the Office Deployment Tool, Setup File and select Run as Administrator. Accept the terms and conditions, click Continue. Select the Office 2024 folder as the extraction path and hit OK. Your file will extract into that folder. Now to install Office using command prompt. Now for the final step, open the Start menu, search for command prompt, right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command to change to your created folder path. Hit enter. Now type this exact deployment command. Setup space /configure space configuration.xml. Make sure there are no typos. Hit enter. The installation process will start in the background. Depending on your internet speed, how many apps you selected, it usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Once completed, click close. After installation finishes, search for Word, Excel or PowerPoint in your Start menu and open them. Everything should launch smoothly without any issue, completely free to use. Now, two methods to avoid activation issues. Many people install Office apps successfully but later faces product activation key or licensing pop-up issue. Here are two methods I personally follow to stay completely tension-free. Method 1. Firewall rules. Create an inbound and outbound rule in your Windows Defender firewall to block internet access specifically for those Office applications. Or method 2. Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, program files, Microsoft Office. Now on Office, look for the file or Office Software Production Platform script. Right click and run as administrator 2 or 4 times. After doing this, simply restart your PC. Now let me know in the comment section how you like this installation method and share this video with your friends who need Microsoft Office apps for free.